A refrigerator that isn't getting cold can be a frustrating issue. But there are several possible causes and solutions. Some of the reasons for this problem include power supply issues, dirty condenser coils, and blocked air vents. To start troubleshooting, check if the power cord is securely connected to the power source and flip the circuit breaker if it has tripped. Trying a different power source can also help rule out any issues with the current one. If the problem persists, cleaning the condenser coils may be necessary, as dirt and debris can impede the refrigerator's cooling efficiency. Locate the condenser coil, inspect it for dirt, and use a vacuum cleaner or brush to clean it. Another potential issue is blocked air vents, which can be caused by overloading the refrigerator. To fix this, remove any items that are blocking the vents or rearrange them to ensure proper air circulation. If the vents are blocked by ice, carefully chip it away. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue with your refrigerator.